Hello and welcome to another episode of Mathematics and Real World Problems. Before we start, I would like to introduce our team member for today is Cikgu Amhari Iskandar bin Cikgu Aris, Muhammad Syafiq bin Muhammad Nazri, and Muhammad Amir Fitri bin Rusli.
Mixing and flow problem.
Problem statement. A tank initially holds 10 gallons of fresh water. At t equals to 0, a brine solution containing 0.5 pound of salt per gallon is poured into the tank at a rate of 2 gallons per minute, while the well-stirred mixture leaves the tank at the same rate. From the parameters given, determine A, the amount of salt at any time t, and B, the concentration of salt in the tank at any time t. Now we are going to solve the first question, which is to find the amount of salt at any time. We are going to represent the tank as dq over dt, and to find dq over dt, we have to use the formula rate in minus rate out. We are going to use salt concentration in times flow rate in minus times salt concentration times flow rate out. Here we are representing Q as the amount of salt at any time t. So we know that the initial condition t equals to 0 means that the amount of salt in the initial condition is 0. Based on the parameters, we substitute the formula with the parameters value given, and after solving the whole equation, we arrive at dq over dt equals to 1 pound per minute minus q over 5 pounds per minute. From the pattern of this equation, we know that it's a linear equation. So for this, we are going to use the ODE linear equation method. By using the initial condition, we can find the constant C by replacing the value of initial condition into the current equation. And from there, we got the value of C equals to negative 5, and we produce a new equation which is Q equals to 5 minus 5 exponential negative T over 5.
By using the new equation, we can use to find the amount of salt at t is equal to 5. Substitute the value of 5 into t, and solving the equation, we get that Q is equal to 3.161 pound. By differentiate the current equation, we derive a new equation that allows us to solve this new problem by substituting the value of t into the current equation. We get the value of concentration of salt in tank at t is equal to 5. So we get the value which is 0.368 pounds per minute.
Alright, that's all from us today. Thank you for coming, and please watch again.